Yo, what is going up everybody? Shri Kanase here and welcome back to the best Shopify YouTube channel out there. In this video, I'm going to be going over one single trick which can literally change your life when it comes to e-commerce and boost your sales for your Shopify store. One cool thing about this trick which I'm going to be showing you in this video is that it took me a while, about a year, to even think about implementing this trick, and ever since I implemented it, my customers have been trusting my store much more. And before I go into the depth of exactly what that trick is, I want to go ahead and show you my Shopify store. And this Shopify store has done around $13,000 since the beginning of this month, and I'm recording this video in May. What I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this page so that you guys do know that this is real. But once it is refreshed, you can see that it has done about $13,166 in the past 18 days. And I'm sitting at around a 15% profit margin for the Shopify store. But the main thing that I want to show you guys is at the very bottom of this page. If we look over here, there are a few things that I want to show you, and this is right under the top, referrers by sessions. So if you guys take a look over here under this section, you can see that the first one is a dropshipping app. A lot of other dropshippers are actually spying on me through this one app, but that is not the thing that I want to show you. What I want to show you that in just this past month, I've had around 12 visits, another 12 visits from 2 coupon websites. And if we go over to these specific websites, we can see that these are the coupon websites which you can post your coupon codes on. Now, generally, if you guys are shopping yourself for specific products online, the first thing that you do is search up coupons for that specific website. For example, let's say you're wanting to buy something from Amazon. The first thing at least I would do is I would go on Google and type in Amazon coupon codes. I mean, who doesn't want to save a little bit of extra pennies while doing a purchase? But the cool thing about this is that instead of me purchasing from other websites and trying to find coupon codes for those websites, people are searching on Google for my website's coupon codes, which is a really big thing and an extremely important step towards branding. And this is exactly what I'm going to be showing guys in this video. And just for that, do leave a like down below and make sure to subscribe if this is the first time you're on my YouTube channel. But going back to my Shopify store, as you can see, it is super important to have your website's coupons getting shown on these coupon pages, just because whenever a customer searches up your store on Google, they're much more inclined to purchase from you if they see these coupon codes available on other websites. It just gives you a very professional look. And these last 4 websites that you can see here are all from various different coupon pages, and getting my coupon codes on these pages did not require a lot of work. But now you may be thinking, how can you get your own coupon codes on these specific pages? There are various different options for you available as to how you can get your Shopify store's coupon codes on these various pages. One way is to go and do it yourself, and one quick way to do that is go to some of the biggest couponing pages such as retailmenot.com or groupon.com and then submit your coupons right there. All you have to do is just go on Google and type in the specific name of the couponing website. So in this case, Retail Me Not, and then you just type in submit a coupon. Once you do that, you're gonna see a little option right here, which is submit a new coupon code. And if you click on that, you will get to submit a specific coupon code for your Shopify website. And this is exactly what I did for my own Shopify stores. So for example, let's go ahead and do a test setup just to show you guys how the process works. So in the first text box right here, store website, you would go ahead and type in your store's website, and then through the offer type, if you have an online website, this is the first option that you would choose. But if you do have a store, then you would choose the second option right here. Or if you're currently running a specific sale for your Shopify store, like a Christmas sale, Thanksgiving sale, then you would choose this third option right here. But for our case, we would do the online code, and then from here we would enter the specific code right here in this section. But to enter the code, you need to have created the store code in your Shopify backend. So make sure to create that code first and then just type in that specific code right here in this section. So let's say, for example, we type in the code thank you 10, and be sure to spell it right. Otherwise, people are not going to be able to use your coupon code. But once you type in the specific code, go ahead and type in a little description. This is the description that people will be able to see. So you can just type in a specific description related to the coupon code. In this case, we could say something like, this coupon code is for 10% off site-wide. Again, this is just an example. You want to elaborate more and go into the specific details if you have any. And for the expiration date, I usually do not like to add expiration dates because once I add this coupon code, I like to just forget about it and let it work in the background. But if you are giving specific deals like a special Christmas sale or a special Thanksgiving sale, then feel free to add as optional expiration date. It is only going to increase your conversion rates, but just having it as a sample coupon code is fine as well. And once you do have all the description and everything correctly set up, just go ahead and click on I'm not a robot and submit your offer. Now these specific coupon code pages will take a few days to confirm these coupon codes that you submitted just to verify everything, but once it is verified, it is going to be shown on retailmenot.com. And the best part about this is when a customer searches for your specific store on Google and just types in the keyword coupon or coupon code, they're going to be shown a Google search for this website right here. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be leaving you a link in the description for the top 10 specific coupon code websites that you absolutely need to have your coupon codes on. Again, the link will be in the description and it is going to be 100% free. But this was the first option for you, manually entering these coupon codes one by one into these deal websites. The second option for you is to hire someone to do it for you. Now, the best website that I personally like to hire people from to do these kinds of simple tasks is Fiverr.com. So what I'm going to be showing you now is how to exactly search for these people who would enter these coupon codes for you. So let's go ahead and go over to Fiverr.com and do a quick search on the job itself. Now, when I first tried to look for these people, I actually had a lot of trouble trying to find the perfect people, but all you have to do is type coupon submit on Fiverr and just go ahead and click on search. Once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options from a lot of different sellers, and it is usually very cheap, only $5, which is why this is the #1 sales boosting technique for a low price. I would personally look through all of these specific sellers and try to see which seller has the highest amount of orders and the highest amount of rated stars before choosing a specific seller. Someone like this is perfectly fine. They're offering $5. You don't normally have to invest anything extra unless you want your coupon code submitted to not just 50 websites but much more than that. And this is one investment I highly recommend that you do if you really want to take your Shopify store to the next level. But definitely make sure that these people are submitting your coupon codes to the top rated coupon websites such as Groupon.com, RetailMeNot.com, etc. But getting your coupon codes out there on Google will also help you with SEO because Google is going to identify these different websites linking back to your own Shopify store, and that is just going to help you rank even higher when it comes to SEO and get your store out there in front of the audience. But that was just a quick video on how to increase your sales and conversion rate as well as increase the trust for your Shopify store among your audience through a very small investment. If you found any type of value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys next time.